बोलो सियापति रामचंद्र के, बोलो सतगुरुदेव भगवान के. So in both language, a little bit in Hindi, little bit in English. So today again it is the day of Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti. So there 12 राशियां हैं हमारी, सबकी 12 राशियां हैं. We everyone is born or generated in 12 rashis. What rashi means? Species? Species. 12 राशियां. So the sun is the Lord, maybe generator, maybe grower, maybe generator of these 12 rashis. Of course, we people are so illiterate and uneducated because this is a shastra, this is a darshan, it is a one shastra, Jyotish. Jyotish is a one shastra, and you will surprise that the calculation, numberings, calculation, imagination by the Jyotish since ancient time, how accurate it was. So they were calculating everything, each and everything, the distance of sun, the size of the sun, the radiation of sun, the moon, the planet, the Brihaspati, the lunar, the eclipse day, exact timing of eclipse day, exact time of when raining will be happened, when raining is Shubh, when raining is Ashubh, what will be in this year, what will be the result of this year. All these things, the astrology, that means the study of astronomy, the study of Khagol, the stars and graphs and grahas and planets, and is the study. And still many various type of study of the Jyotish is available in India. Even the Jyotish is working in the village also by the name of Totka, Tantra, Totka, Tona Totka. By Tona Totka also they calculate the Jyotish. Yes, yesterday the lion was coming. They have some things that they can prevent the lion not to come. There is a rain is about to come, and this is not the situation. Then there was Totka, so that they can stop the rain. And so Tantra, that is Totka is Tantra. So Tantra and Jyotish and all such sciences were there in your country where we have born. And day by day, we people have passed our 40 years or 50 years and 60 years about towards to die. And these sciences are just crying and weeping. Is there anybody who can see us? And day by day, moment by moment, they are being. ये गांव के तंत्र मंत्र तो पूरे खत्म हो गए. गांव के तंत्र मंत्र ओझा. I have seen by my own eyes how they were removing the scorpion's bite, snake bite, and many fevers and many things. And the so-called nonsense, these educated of the fake science, they are talking that the Tantra is black magic, and the Tantra is black magic, and this should be prohibited in India. And they are working many things in spite of growing that, in spite of improving that art and that science, the nonsense, fool educated, they are crushing those sciences. And now Jyotish, the Jyotish, astrology, by the astrology, they have. Even our Jyotish says that there are 12 forms of the sun also. Sun also there are 12 forms. So, of course, our earth is rotating by two speeds. One is on its axle, one is surrounding speed. But सर चंद्रमा पे घूम रहा है, चंद्रमा भी, हाँ पृथ्वी साथ घूम रहा है, पृथ्वी साथ घूम रहा है. The moon is also rotating, but the moon and earth is not only rotating. The sun itself is also rotating, and your earth is also rotating and just shaking and converting its directions. And the Africa, yesterday you told that the Africa was the part of which part of India? Yesterday you told. कहाँ दिखाई देता है? छत्तीसगढ़, केरला, असम, केरला. The animals of Kerala and the animals of Africa are similar. And scientists say that the Africa was joined here. Where we see Himalaya, you can see very, very thin and the layers of the stone. Stone, it is stone or sand. The sand, by solidifying, it has turned and converted in stone. But you can see thousands of layers. The mountains are made up of layers. So that clearly indicates that it was water before. So the Himalaya was water. Ocean. Now, all these geographical changes are happening gradually. Have you seen?
Lots of evidence are
here. No. Lots of little evidence you can see. But you have only a short limitation of age. Maybe 80 years you will be appearing in this world. And after 80 years, but now you are 40 years of age. So, can you say that, suppose in this life you are very worried, very sad, very suffering, very struggling. So, if I can ask that, how you were before 50 years? Before 50 years, how many problems and how many struggles were with you? Can you tell? Param, how happy, how struggling, how many wives you were having before 50 years?
No memory.
Huh?
No memory.
Oh, no memory. रावत जी, मतलब ये बात बताइए कि 35 साल पहले मतलब आपको क्या क्या बीमारियां थी?
मेरे को पैदाइशी थी
35 साल पहले.
मैं तो जन्म हुआ था तब से मेरे को खाते.
आपकी उम्र कितनी? 38. तो 40 साल पहले आपको क्या क्या बीमारियां थी? 40 साल पहले. अच्छा चलो, और अब से 50 साल के बाद में क्या क्या बीमारियां रहेगी? तो अव्यक्तादीनी भूतानी क्या क्या है? अव्यक्तादीनी भूतानी और ओ अर्जुन, all the bhutas, all the creatures were अव्यक्त. अव्यक्त मतलब invisible, unseen, invisible before birth. And the same they will they will become invisible after death. So they are appearing now.
Only in middle.
Huh?
Only in middle.
Huh?
We are all seeing her only in middle.
Only in middle. But you know, I have given this knowledge very early. To whom? To son. To son. So, God has shared that knowledge to son. In which time, in which date, in which year, in which yuga, we don't know. But if sun is there, so the same sun was not working on Makar Rashi, on different Rashis, on this line, Makar line, Karka Rekha, Bhumadya Rekha, was it not doing before at that time when sun was there? Yeah, the velocity and the nature and character of sun is this. Since the sun is created, and God has shared the knowledge to son. And today, again, the same day, the same sun, the same Makar Rekha, and we are celebrating that. So we are celebrating that. So, can anybody believe, imagine that what was he was before birth? And how many births he has taken and how many times he has celebrated Makar Sankranti?
Like Michael.
And how many times he has celebrated Makar Sankranti? And how many times again he will celebrate Makar Sankranti, or how many, or how, what, suppose. So, we don't know of our future, we don't know of our past. तब बात यह है कि then, for a temporary time being, we are being ensheathed, enveloped, covered by a body. Only the chakkar of body, the body was not there in past. Again in future, the body will not be there. So by taking the body, everyone is having, somebody is having 100 problems, somebody is having a list of 150 problems, somebody has list of 200 problems, somebody has list of, and other to that, somebody is aggressive nature, somebody is greedy, somebody is thief, somebody is sexy, somebody is murderer, somebody is intolerant, somebody is
Careless.
so this is only story of this 70 years or 50 years or 60 years. What we are. Now, and we are weeping also, and crying also, and complaining also, and struggling also, and always we are struggling for get a relief, a happiness, a relax, a peace, all the time. Now, the thing is, so, may God, or let us think and ponder, and may God bless us so that we can at least live peacefully and relaxedly in this very birth. Otherwise, since numerous of times you will be celebrating Makar Sankranti, celebrating Makar Sankranti, and whole the life you will pass again and again by weeping, by the phoda, by the piles, by the intestine, by this, complaint, with thousands of complaints. So may God solve our problems, and no God will solve your problem until and unless you will not solve your problem. If you will not solve your problem, don't disturb. Until and unless you will not solve your problem, you will die. But you will die with these problems even. आपकी शिकायत आपको ही हटाना पड़ेगा. कोई माई का लाल, कोई वैद्य, कोई डॉक्टर, कोई नहीं हटाएगा. आपको ही आपका सिर का बोझ उठाना पड़ेगा, अपने मन का दुख दूर करना पड़ेगा. तो अदरवाइज we will die with these problems. So not only you, not only he, we everyone have many problems inside, in the mind. Our mind is not balanced. We are very safe and Babuji from appearing, but inside we are same dacoit, same thief, same nonsense, same. But by appearing a good cloth, we become gentle. But this nonsensity and fake looking will not help. Otherwise, again and again, you have to celebrate Makar Sankranti. God knows. So, be alert, be awake, and select Guru, and surrender to Guru, and use your common sense. Read good books, take satsang, and try to remove the roots of the birth and death. Then only you can get peace and relax. Siyapati Ramachandra ki